Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze property comps using Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to get a nice decent comparison as far as their properties go. Now things to keep in mind that even if your property is on the same street as another property, it doesn't mean the value is going to be same. Like a property that was more recently built is going to have a higher valuation compared to a property on your same street that was built in the 50s, for example. So I've been using Propwire to actually go ahead and analyze comps. And the way that I do it is that if we enter an example zip code right over here, so we'll just do 97217. Here we have a zip code in Oregon, and usually the properties that are next to the freeway are going to be a little less compared to properties that are away from the freeway. Now with that, you want to click on the more search results right over here, and then you want to click on property filters. And this is where you want to align your property as close to the property that you have. So if it's a single family home, you want to make sure you select single family home. If it's a condo or a townhouse, you want to make sure that you select condo or townhouse. So for our example, we'll choose single family home. And then you also want to make sure that the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms do align closely as well. So if it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, you want to click on 3 and 2. And then for the building size, I usually go around plus or minus 300 square feet when it comes to getting comps. So we'll say if we have like a 1,000 square foot home, we'll make this 1,300. And at the very least, we'll say, 750 square feet. So with that, some individuals tend to put a lot size, but that really varies from place to place. I mean, if this is something that you want to consider, then you can enter a lot size. I normally do it within plus or minus 3,000 square feet with the lot size. But this should be good enough to kind of narrow down our search results. Now, if we click on Save and Close in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll see that we've narrowed down our search results to 66 search results. And with that, the other thing that we want to do, I actually forgot, is that we want to select lead types, and we do want to select sold, MLS sold. So select this option right over here. So now with that, we've basically narrowed it down to one search result. So if you do only get like one search result, you can kind of expand your property a bit more. Double check and make sure that all your search results and filters are as close to the property that you're trying to get a comp on. But with that, you can see here, I mean, ideally you want to have more than just one search result. But you can see that this one here is a 4,900 square feet sold. It pays around 420 square feet per square feet. And then the sold price was 530,000. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I would run a comp on Propwire. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.